Okay, so we're gonna go to a place called Rua dos Negociantes, which is like, there we go, which is how you doing? Which is it's like street of the business, like merchants, stuff like that. So we're gonna walk directly down that way. It's just down this way a little bit. Give a little idea where we're at. We're on Camões. We're gonna try to soak in some of this. This is Regadores, which is goes all the way down to Taipa village, which actually leads to Galaxy Casino down that way. So we're gonna start at this spot, and then we're gonna head straight down to this direction. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Got a little moon over Macau over there, straight ahead. Got some decorations right here. So we're actually gonna walk towards this. This is part of the light show. It doesn't quite come on quite yet, but we are seeing some of the lights coming on now. So let's just kind of take a look at our street here. And we're gonna go straight down this way. And later this will be all lit up. It's too bad we didn't catch it now. Grooving tram station. And then this will also be part of it too. So this is actually going to be going for, I think it's going to be ending, I think it's basically the month of December. And I was actually gone most of this month, so I didn't actually catch hardly any of it. That's Old Taipa Tavern, so we got a bar right there. And we got a nice temple right in here too, so we're just gonna walk towards that a little bit. Now our target street is gonna be around the corner here, so you can see Largo Camões. I have the camera on kind of a wide lens, which will be better when we get into the alley. Let's see how the lighting goes as well. But yeah, this is actually Old Taipa Tavern. So, which is a very, very popular bar. A lot of expats, a lot of tourists too. So our target street is this one right here. We got some new businesses, the Silver Mine Bakery. Hi there. Hello. So, this is new. I think I talked to them briefly. I should stop there sometime and get some of the bakery. Looks very popular. They got some Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas. I don't know when I'm gonna have this video uploaded, but just to give you a little bit of I got that flickering lights. This looks new. It's all intestines. Wow. A lot of people have come through here just recently. Made in Macau, Mr. K. They got pork chop buns, lemonade. Got the Mona Lisa right there as well. Let me see. Chi Chai Cafe. That also has pork chop buns too. And this one's kind of a new one. Bem-vindo, it looks like it's going to be Portuguese as well. Or actually they have some awards 2023. Alma. So it's called Alma. It had a different name before. It was like something lobster. They also got the Christmas tree as well. So that's our target street. Mercadores is right here as well. Mr. K. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Got another Christmas theme. I guess I'll have to put this video up ahead of the other ones. In case you're curious, oh, this is Pedro Cozinha. So this is also a new Portuguese restaurant too. So we have Pedro. And then you got that other one called, that one on the corner, which had a different one too. I guess they've changed since, maybe because of COVID. So COVID, a lot of businesses, they went out of business. The foreign community couldn't go in or out for 3 years unless they had permanent residency. So for a lot of people, they were stuck. So a lot of the foreign businesses in particular suffered quite a bit, but it looks like they got replaced by 2 other Portuguese places. Let's go across here. So that was our target street. Just to give you a little context, this is this street goes what's this one? This street has 3 different names, but you can see way in the distance you can see a mountain that's Taipa Grande, I believe. Some nice, it's kind of cool apartments right there. Blah blah bra. Oh, that's a new business as well called Blah Blah Bra. Some pretty cool looking apartment buildings too. Okay. So our target street was this little Negociantes. So let's go back that way. And it basically leads to OTT. And then we got all our Christmas stuff. So yeah, I was actually gone for 2 weeks. I went to Kenya. So I've been putting up some videos. I'll try to put this one up earlier just to capture it because of the Christmas theme. That's Target Street. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.